the worst thing we go do you for exam na to solve question, solve and finish. Come be say na small minus or small plus wey you make, na be the mistake wey make you get the answer wrong. Now complex question numbers are like that. Now why I can't derive a method of using calculator to solve it. This calculator can solve any complex number question. I don't solve from number 1 to number 8 for this question. Now number 9 I won't solve now. So if you never watch the video, go back to the video in this my page to see them, and you will master everything concerning complex number using your calculator. Now the question say, make I show you the question, make I even write them out here so you can see them. The question here say let z be equal to minus 2 plus I. Then they say we should evaluate the real part of z minus 2z bar. Okay, okay, plus 2z bar. So now the question be, look at it, question number 9. So let z be equal to this, then evaluate the real part of z plus 2z. Now make I solve am with hand, make you see say whether with the calculator go give us the same answer. Shut up. So whether the question go give us the same answer. So you see, solution, they gave us that z is equal to minus 2 plus I. So z bar na the conjugate. So the conjugate of this is minus 2 minus I. So conjugate simply means to change the sign of the imaginary part. Okay, so to find z plus 2 z bar, now to say this is equal to z itself na minus 2 plus I, then plus 2 into the z bar na minus 2 minus I. So if I open bracket, I'm going to have minus 2 plus I. This time this will give you minus 4. This time this will give you minus 2I. So you see them. So you now see that minus 2 minus 4 will give me minus 6. Then 1 minus 2I will give me minus I. So now the answer be this. So that, but they say we should find the real part. The real part now, this part we no get I. So the real part will now be equal to what? Minus 6. So the answer here is minus 6. So if you check, you go see say the answer na option B, minus 6. But this thing is wasting my time. Make I punch am directly for calculator, get my answer immediately. So to punch this in calculator, the first thing to do now to clear your calculator so that you no go get error in your calculation. So to clear, you punch shift and punch 9, because on top of 9 na clear. You go ask your guy, what you want clear? You go tell am say I want clear all, press number 3, which is all. Then you go come dey press the equality sign until everything don clear. So now make we solve the calculator, make we solve the question. This question na complex number question, so we got to put our calculator in complex number mode. You understand? So press mode. You go see say number 2 na complex number. I go press 2. E go show you my calculator don enter complex number. So punch your complex number question. I go come punch am. They say we should find z plus 2z bar. So I go say the z, look at the z, open bracket and write your z, which is minus 2 plus, see I here on top of eng na I. So I go just press this eng, I go come out, I go close am. Then they say plus 2z bar. So plus 2, open bracket. Remember that z bar now to just change this plus to minus. So it will be minus 2 minus I go come close am, punch my equality sign. It go give me minus 6 minus I, which is exactly what I got. And they say we should get the real part. The real part is just what? Minus 6. You go your way. Very simple. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to follow us and subscribe so that anytime we post a video, the platform will notify you. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye-bye. We're going to solve up to 15 questions on complex number. If you get any math question where you want me to solve with calculator, tell us on the comment section and I'm going to do a video on that. Bye-bye.